Hi, and welcome back to Live Well with Dr. Mel. I'm Melissa, licensed physical therapist and holistic health coach. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You'll get access to all my videos on health and wellness, as well as physical therapy tips and tricks. In this video, we're going to go over how to use a straight point cane. You'll get direct insight on how I train my patients when they're first starting with the cane, and how to progress as they get stronger and better. Also, how to get up and down the stairs with the cane. If you're ready, let's get started. Before we start, we want to make sure the cane is at the appropriate height. The way we check this is by placing the cane just to the outside of our foot and dropping our hands to the side. The handle should be directly at our wrist. The handle of our cane should lie directly at the wrist. This is going to ensure that we have a 30-degree elbow bend, that our elbow isn't hyperextended when we're walking with the cane, and that our shoulder isn't too high, crunching our neck when we're walking with the cane. If your cane is not at the appropriate height, all you have to do is turn this little knob to the left and adjust by pressing in these buttons to go to the appropriate height. Once you have it at the appropriate height, then you turn the knob back to the right. Keep checking and retrying until that handle is directly at your wrist and you have a 30-degree elbow bend. Once you have the cane at the appropriate height, we can practice walking with the cane. So, I want you to lead with the cane, and then you want to use your bad or weaker or involved limb first, then your good leg. So it's always cane, bad foot, good foot. If you don't have a weaker leg or a stronger leg and you're just using the cane for balance, use the cane in the hand that feels most comfortable and lead with the foot that feels most comfortable. The cane should be always opposite your weaker leg. I know a lot of people mess this up and put it in the wrong hand. So if you have a weak left leg, you want the cane in the right hand, and vice versa. If you have a weak right leg, you want the cane in the left hand. So it's going to go cane, weak leg, strong leg. Cane, weak leg, strong leg. If you are walking with the cane and you're feeling pretty good, stepping two, you feel steady and balanced, and you're ready to progress to the next level, you're going to step through. So it's going to go cane, weak leg, strong leg's going to pass the weak leg as you bring the cane. I'll show you from this way as well. So if you're just starting with the cane, you're going to go cane, weak leg, strong leg, not passing, just stepping two. And if you're feeling confident and ready to progress to the next level, it goes cane, weak leg, strong leg, and you're just going fluid through, passing one foot over the next, not stepping them together. Each foot is passing the other. The other tip I wanted to share with you is if you're leaning too much into the cane and you're really using it for support, that your bad limb is really in a lot of pain, then you're not ready for the cane yet. The cane is just there to steady yourself for balance. So I want you to check out my how to use a walker video, because you're better off with a walker if you're really pressing down into the cane for support. So make sure before you practice going up the stairs, you have a good pair of shoes on so you don't slip on the stairs. Also, if your handrail is only on one side, you're always going to put the cane opposite the handrail. If you have 2 handrails, you can hold on to both handrails. That's the most sturdy. But if you only have 1, that's fine. The cane just goes opposite the handrail. When going up the stairs, you always want to go up with the good leg. So your strong leg first, then the cane and your bad leg. Good leg, cane, bad leg. Good leg, cane, bad leg. On your way down, it's just the opposite. So you're going to go cane first, down with the bad leg, and then the good. So cane, bad leg, good leg. Cane, bad leg, good leg. The easy way I remember this is you go up to heaven with the good, down to hell with the bad. If you enjoyed the content that I shared on this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. You'll get access to all my health and wellness videos, as well as physical therapy tips and tricks. As always, stay healthy and well. See you next time.